Thank you. Honorable Member Shri Abdul Wahab ji, you have 5 minutes.
Thank you for giving me 5 minutes first. Thank you, Deputy Chairman. So far I was getting only 3 minutes and Deputy Chairman intervening within 2 minutes. Remove the mask. Elamaran Karim ji ka mask nikalta hai. This budget presented by Honorable Finance Minister has failed to meet the aspiration of citizens belonging to any section of our society. It has not addressed any major issues that concerns common people of this country, such as issues pertaining to unemployment crisis in small-scale industry and price rise of essential commodities. The budget has also disappointed all communities like us. It has betrayed farmers, students, migrant laborers, minorities, backward communities, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. A lot of subject Minister talked about in agriculture sector remains rhetoric. Instead of announcing any major schemes of or allocations in agriculture sector from the pocket of government, this budget has only increased the credit target of the banks in agriculture sector. Almost all the infrastructural fund announcement by Minister in agriculture, animal husbandry, rural infrastructure, micro irrigation should be taken with caution, as many of the announcements made in previous budget and stimulate packages during the COVID is neither sanctioned nor spent. It is not surprising to see that government has given minimal budget estimate for important sectors such as education and social welfare. However, in Mandri's speech, Inclusive Development for Aspirational India, the Finance Minister has once again failed to give any attention to minority communities. In fact, this government has once again reiterated its detestation with minority community by not spending 600 crores in previous budget and now by further reducing 25% in this budget estimate. The document provided by the government proves its detestation with scheduled groups and other vulnerable community as well, as the government failed to spend a major chunk of the fund from the previous year's budget for the welfare of these communities. The ongoing protest by the farming community makes it clear that the government and its previous budget are documents without any vision, and it has completely failed in its promise of doubling the farmers' income by 2022 as assured. I request our Finance Minister, State Ministry, Sir Anurag Thakur, intervening in all areas. Wherever his name is mentioned also, he was taking 2 minutes from you. So I request our Honorable Anurag Thakur ji, Raji, Anurag Thakur ji, I am mentioning your name. Yeah, so that you can, I feel that you will reply to in 2 minutes. Fund for the development of Aligarh Muslim University off campus at Malappuram. It is there for the namesake, Naam ke vaste, but no fund is given from Smriti Irani's time to this time. One Kendriya Vidyalaya, only one, in Malappuram district in Ponnani constituency. And my personal interest, one Ekalavya Model Residential School at my place, Nirambur, under Ministry of Tribal Affairs, because most tribals are living in our place. So these are the 3 requests personally I want to make, and only because of time I am telling. When I am coming to Delhi, one near to me, one retired, Veer Chakram holder, Air Force pilot, used to be, he was in 65 wars and 71, Bangladesh war. He was telling about the one pension, one rank scheme, and he was telling me Modi ji announced everything, and he was having some contacts also with Modi ji, but actually they are not getting it, or they have got a lot of difficulties. So I told him I will raise this case in the parliament. Anurag Thakur ji, I hope that you will do justice for this retired pilots and all, because they are the one who is protecting our land from Jawans, from the foreign Pakistan and China. So
Honourable Member, please conclude.
Conclude? I conclude with thanks and...
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm always.
Very serious issue. 3 demands about his constituency. I'll forward it to the concerned departments, that I promise. At the same time, he raised a very relevant issue of one rank, one pension. which was pending for 30, 40 years. When my father was MP that time, he raised that. And the only person who was able to implement it is Narendra Modi ji. And where thousands of crore rupees has been given to the ex-serviceman and the honorable, and I like to seek the details. I would
It's
like
okay.
to seek the details of the concerned
Anurag
officer.
ji,
If there is anything we can
we
do,
will.
I'll be more than happy to help the
Anurag
concerned
ji,
person, sir.
point made. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Honorable Member Shri Ashwini Vaishnav ji.